everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Lesson 11, Present Simple Affirmatives. The present simple tense shows us facts, 사실, habits, 습관들, or actions, 행동들. In the third person singular subject, she, he, it, we add s or es to the verb. For example, she eat가 아니라 she eats. But if the verb ends in s, sh, ch 또는 x, we need to add es. For example, she watch가 아니라 es 붙여서 she watches 또는 she fixes. If the verb ends in a consonant and a y, consonant는 a, e, i, o, u 아닌 letter야. 아닌 letter야. Then we need to change the y to i, e, s. For example, she cry가 아니라 she y를 ies로 바꿔서 she cries or she flies. But there are some irregular verbs. Irregular means they do not have rules. 규칙이 따로 없어. For example, have, 있다는 has야. She has. 또는 go, she goes, or do. Go, she goes, or do. She does. If you're ready to get started with your homework, let's go! On page 34, the directions say to write the correct form of the verb in the present tense. Remember, for I, you, we, and they, the verbs stay the same. For the third person singular, she, he, it, we need to add s 또는 es 또는 ies. 또는 change the y to ies. Let's look. Number 1, talk, talks. Number 2, study. Consonant y가 있고 y to ies, studies. Number 3, get up, gets up. Number 4, brush. sh로 끝나니까 es 붙여야죠. Number 5, do. This was an irregular verb. 규칙이 따로 없어. Do becomes does. Number 6, ride. 이가 이미 있으니까 s만 붙이면 되죠? Number 7, fix. x로 끝나서 es 붙여서 fixes. Number 8, listen. s 붙여서 listens. Number 9, y. Consonant y로 끝나니까 change the y to ies. She, he, it cries. Number 10, watch. ch로 끝나서 what do we need to add? es. Good. Watches. Number 11 is also irregular. have가 아니라 has. Number 12, mix. x로 끝나서 we need to add es. Mixes. Number 13, clean becomes cleans. Number 14, play, plays. 15, go가 아니라 goes. This one's irregular too. And our last one, cook. She, he, it cooks. Great job. Check your answers and let's go to the next page. On page 35, the directions say, look and write. What do they do every day? Every day 하는 거라면 습관으로 하는 거잖아. So we need to add s, es 또는 change the y to ies. Number 1, do the dishes. Remember, we only change the verb for she, he, or it. Number 1, he do the dishes. Do was irregular. do가 아니라 does the dishes. Number 2, she cook dinner. cook에서 s 붙여서 cooks dinner. Number 3, I. Remember, he, she, he, it만 바꾸는 거잖아. 그러면 I는 그대로. I drink milk. Number 4, 마찬가지. she, he, it가 아니라서 동사는 그대로. We do homework. 쉽죠? Let's go to number 5. Ken and Ted, they, she, he, it가 아니어서 동사는 그대로. They, Ken and Ted, read a book. Number 6, Mary. Mary is a girl. She go가 아니라 goes to school. Number 7, John. He take 여기 s 붙여서 takes a shower. Mr. Jones도 he죠. Mr. Jones go가 아니라 goes to work. Fantastic. In number 8, in number 9, we, 그럼 안 바꿔도 되는 거네. We surf the internet. Number 10, they는 he, she, it인가? No. They have dinner at home. Number 11, he talks on the phone. And number 12, she plays video games. Very nice. Please check your answers and I'll see you at the last page. On page 36, we will be reviewing lesson 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. In part 1, we need to read and circle. Number 1, my dad 또는 watches the news every day. My dad, he라서 s 또는 es를 붙여야 돼. watch, ch로 끝나니까 es가 맞겠죠? Number 2, Ken, he, have 또는 has many interesting books. Remember, have is irregular. Third person, she, he, it으로 사용하고 싶으면 has로 바꿔야 돼요. Number 3, my mom 또는 goes to work every day. My mom는 she잖아요. 그럼 go가 아니라 goes to work every day. Number 4, I see some leaf or leaves. Some is for plural nouns and non-count nouns. 나뭇잎은 셀 수 있잖아. 근데 plural nouns에서 사용하니까 we need to choose leaves. 여러 나뭇잎. In part 2, we need to look and write. Number 1, there are some sandwich가 아니라 if we make this plural, ch로 끝나는 단어들은 es 붙여야 되죠? Sandwiches. Number 2, the bus is then the car. 버스랑 차를 비교하는 거잖아. 그러면 er를 붙여야 돼. The bus is 더 크네. What's the word for 크다? Big. 근데 big는 vowel이랑 consonant로 끝나니까 big에서 g를 하나 더 추가하고 그리고 나서 er를 붙여야 돼. bigger. Number 3, bike is this? It's my bike. 누구 거야? Will we use who or whose? Good. Whose bike is this? Number 4, I see some cookies. Cookies are in the jar. 그 쿠키들은 the cookies are in the jar. Very nice. In number 5, it says he isn't an old man. He is old 반대는 뭐지? Young. Number 6, is the boy happy? No, he isn't. He's sad. Number 8. Are there eggs? Yes, there are. We need to use some or any. But we know negative 그리고 질문이 있을 때는 any를 사용하는 거 알죠? Number 8, our last question. The blue jacket is than the pink coat. 더 짧고 비교하는 거잖아. 짧다 is short. short에서 er 붙이면 shorter than the pink coat. Fantastic! Please check your answers and stay for our review game. Ready to play? We're reviewing our present simple affirmatives. Remember, she, he, it 때만 동사를 바꾸는 거야. s 또는 es 붙이거나 y가 있을 때는 ies로 바꿔야 돼. And don't forget about the irregular verbs like have, like have는 has으로 바꿔서 go, goes로 바꾸고 등등. Let's start with number 4. He ride his bike every weekend. 여기 he가 있어서 동사를 바꿔야죠. e가 이미 있으니까 he rides his bike every weekend. Number 6. We go to the zoo every weekend. we는 동사를 바꿔야 되나요? No, we don't. 그대로 we go to the zoo every weekend. Number 2. We often visit our grandparents on Sundays. 또 we가 나오니까 visit는 그대로. Number 9. He watch cartoon every weekend. he가 있어서 바꿔야 되네. ch로 끝날 때는 what do we need to add? Good! es. He watches cartoons every weekend. Number 3. She go to school by bus. Remember, go is irregular. What do we add? She goes to school by bus. Number 7. You go shopping every weekend. she, he, it 때만 바꾸는 거라서 you는 그대로 you go. Number 1. They play football every morning. she, he, it 때만 바꾸는 거라서 they는 그대로 they play. Number 8. She go to the cinema every Saturday. Ooh, she goes to the cinema. And our last question, number 5. Every day I get up at 8:30. Okay, she, he, it는 아니라서 그럼 그대로 every day I get up at 8:30. Great job! 140 points! You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video. Okay? Bye!